Hello my friends, have you seen those crazy expensive quads with all-wheel drive going through the mud and sinking in it? And I thought that I also want to build one in my crazy workshop. So I took old Soviet motorcycle, put two motors on it, and now I put a sidecar and put three motors on one old motorcycle. And today I will show you how this beast will build mud in the most hard off-road. I don't think that this invention could be used as a competitive sports vehicle of some kind, because it's going in the way you don't really expect it to go. It's going all over the place, and you are lucky if you won't go into the tree. This thing don't have a handling you are expecting to have. You don't drive where you want to, you drive when this crazy thing wants to go. But nevertheless, after testing it on the sand, let's go to the mud and test how it will feel in the water in the muddy conditions. As you see, you don't need a really expensive quad to be all dirty, to be happy and to stuck anywhere, cause any expensive quad will stuck anyway. This thing will just stuck faster, which means faster result, which means better. Thank you for watching. It was a crazy Yuri workshop. See you guys. Bye.